super rainy, nasty, muggy day. We are going out of town to film a wedding. Me and Jason will be filming the wedding and visiting his family. We might have Thanksgiving while we're down there. Jared's going to be coming with us.
Yeah, Jared's going with us, so we got to set everything up as far as the animals go to make sure they have food and water and everything to last, 4 days by themselves. So today we're going to Tractor Supply, going to bank, deposit some money, then we got to go to Walmart, pick some stuff. So today should be fun.
I got some rice cakes. Need kitty litter for the cats while we're gone. Jason got some road candy. I got some snacks for today, and of course, we had to get some energy drinks. We're just leaving Walmart, and we're going to head to Tractor Supply now. Tractor Supply. Jason's finishing his healthy breakfast.
Breakfast of champions.
And we're gonna get some stuff for the animals, so
stay tuned. I'm going to tell you why I love Texas. Ford. Ford is the best in Texas. I don't know why she took the cart all the way inside, but we'll see if we can get her to run back. Let's see if I can get her to. You got to run back. Hurry. Hurry. It's on camera. I called you out. Hurry. Uh-huh. She doesn't want to run. She never does. She never wants to work out. Never wants to do anything that I want to do. Still, breakfast of champions right here. Not a champion because she's not eating it.
What are we doing next?
We need to...
They didn't have hay, so I don't know what we're going to do for that.
I'll figure that out. But we need to go... We need an oil change, which sucks, and then we just need to go put all the stuff up at the house and make sure all the animals are good and eat this breakfast.
So Tractor Supply was out of hay. There's another place that I think we bought from before.
It's like a mom and pop's place.
So we're gonna go stop by there and see if we can't find any there. So we are at stop number 3. We don't think that there's gonna be any hay here, but hopefully I'm wrong, but we'll see. Found some?
They had some.
Yay!
Gotta drive around and get it. asked if he was being filmed because he saw the phone. And I said, yeah. And then he asked if we wanted any of, or if we were getting this hay for dog bedding, and I said, yeah, that, and just the animals to eat on before we're gone. So they loaded up all the little pieces that fell off all the other ones for free. So I know our dogs will appreciate that. We can set it up in the barn and hopefully not be all muddy.
They say third time's a charm. Lucky for us it was. We did find some hay. How much did you pay for it?
$12 a square.
How many squares did you get?
3.
So we got 3 squares plus a bunch of extra hay that fell off. So lucky for us.
We're
Good score today.
yeah. Now we just need to go drop all this stuff off and then go get an oil change, which I did. So right now we're cleaning the stalls out so they can have a good clean place to stay while we're gone, to get out of the rain. It's been nasty. So all we're gonna do is we took all the hay out. Now we're trying to get all the poop and nasty mud that was created from them peeing in here, because Sebastian loves to come in here and pee. So we're gonna clean this out, put new hay, and get them set up. So I got Jaylene out here trying to lift these hay bales. We're all equal when you're working on the homestead. No one's better than others, and she did it. So we just finished cleaning all this up as good as we could. It's all set up. You got chickens over here, goats or horse here, and goats or horse back there. So hopefully this will do well enough till we get back, which I think will be fine. They're gonna have plenty of water and food. And they all seem to be pretty happy. Okay, so we're gonna set the rabbits up, and we started putting them in the cage outside. So you can see where we've put them several places in the garden, and they eat it down, they dig holes. We don't care, it's where the garden's gonna be anyways. And so they're kind of helping us till it up and eat all the grass and everything. And we just moved them from over there, which you can tell they dug down and ate all the grass. So hopefully, they'll be good for a week. So we're gonna put some hay and get all their water and all that stuff. I've been doing for their water is just these little things you get for rabbits or whatever, but I just leave a bucket of water out. It's been raining a lot, so it just fills up. It's easy to do, and it's right here. You don't have to go to the faucet and do all that since we just moved them here. And I know people say that you should give them super fresh water. They're rabbits, they're animals. I personally think they're fine. Any of our other animals can drink from the pond we dug. So I don't think it's that big of a deal. And they're good. I'm gonna get a couple more of those bottles and put them on there, so they'll be good for a few days, but I think they'll be pretty good. I used to put these guys in a cage in the barn, and it works great. You could control what goes in there and everything easy, but I don't know. I'm trying to get back to just letting the animal be an animal, and so I put this cage out here that we used to have for the quails. I took the lid off, or the top off, which I just put here on the side, so if they decide to start digging out, they're gonna have to dig past that as well on this side. And then I just used a 55-gallon barrel, cut it in half, and cut a little hole for them to get in, which is perfect for the weather and to get out of the sun and all that. But I think it's working pretty good.
So we're back at Walmart because we forgot that we needed an oil change before we leave.
So we have an hour to waste in Walmart. I'm gonna attempt to juggle.
So I want to get these alpaca or llama salt and pepper shakers, but Jason won't let me. If you vote yes on these salt and pepper shakers, let us know. So we just got done at Walmart. We were there for probably about an hour. It's like 2 o'clock and we haven't eaten today.
I'm hungry.
So we're gonna go. So we're gonna head home and have some lunch / breakfast.
And then I'm gonna take a nap because I gotta drive all night.
Yep.
Which any excuse to take a nap is awesome, basically.
So we finally finished everything, and we left. We have about 7 hours till we get there, so should be interesting.
Jared, what would you like to say about that?
About what? I just woke up.
He's lazy. He worked all day, now we're gonna be driving all night. I tried to take a 30-minute nap and it didn't happen. So,
Did you say I'm lazy that I worked all day?
Yep. So we made it to our first rest stop an hour away because Jaylene had to go to the bathroom. So we got coffee. Jared's buying some stuff. Buying nasty chips. Some Monster.
Coffee Monster and a Diet Coke.
So we're back on the road. So we made it to their house, our parents, at 1 a.m. last night, and we were super tired and we woke up super early, and now we're at our ranch. And stay tuned to see what we
get
see
into today.